Hello guys, my name is Thomas and I'm a mindset coach. Yesterday I had this conversation with a taxi driver on my way back home, and he was so angry and pissed off about his life. So the majority of the time of my trip he was blaming the government, some other people for his life. And it's not the first time I had a conversation like this, so it gave me the idea for this video, and I really want you to watch it until the end because I will uncover the most important step you can take right now to create a change in your life. So keep on watching. Where you are in life right now, financially, physically, mentally, this is precisely how you have designed it. You did that, and you are the only person responsible for it and nobody else. I know for some people it might be hard to admit it, and some of you might think, no, it's not me, it's not my fault, it's government's fault, or it's my parents' fault, or my partner is responsible for it, or my work is responsible for it. No, it isn't. It's you. Don't blame other things and don't blame other people for your misfortune. You don't want to be one of those people who play victims, because those people don't get anything in life. Those people are saying that life is out of their control and that they can do anything about it. This is a false belief they chose to live by. You are responsible for your own life right now, and you're going to be responsible for the results you get in life. When you're someone who takes full responsibility for everything, you get everything. And I want you to accept it, because this is the most important step for creating change in life. When you are constantly blaming other people and circumstances for where you are in life, there is nothing you can do to fix it, because there is nothing you can do to fix them. Instead, ask yourself, what could I do better? How can I grow and expand and be happy so no event and no person can change how I feel? Maybe it means removing yourself from certain situations or environments or toxic people. Whatever the case is, it's you that has to accept that you are the only person that can make those changes and therefore make your life better. You will never live your greatest life and you will never be truly happy by holding on to past problems or blaming other people and circumstances for where you are in life, emotionally, physically, financially, whatever you are. You can only win by moving on, and you can only win by taking full responsibility for where you are, for where you want to go, and you can only win by taking control right now and moving forward with your life. Thank you guys for watching, and see you on my next video.